Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to clean calcium or mineral deposits on your kitchen faucet or the washroom faucets. To perform this, you will need white plain vinegar and then elastic band and Ziploc bag. First, fill the Ziploc bag with white vinegar. You will need to tie the Ziploc bag around the faucet. So you can tie it around the spout or you can remove the spout, and then similar step can be performed for your washroom taps as well. Now once bag is tied around the spout, leave it for a few hours. The best results are seen if you leave it overnight and let the vinegar do its magic. And now you see the result after leaving vinegar for overnight on the spout. Now we will remove Ziploc bag after I think I left it for 8 hours. And then now if you see the spout, it's clear, but we will use a kitchen brush with a little bit of dish soap to clean it. If you see the results, so in this one on the left, the spout is when I started, and then I left the vinegar for overnight, and you see the magic that was done. Similar steps can be performed for your washroom faucets and taps to clean the deposits. Thanks for watching the video. If this video helps you to solve your problem, please consider subscribing to the channel and like the video. Thank you.